The next concept here is principle of superposition of waves. Very important concept here, principle of superposition of waves. Now what is the principle? This principle is applicable to all types of waves. For this principle we consider the two or more waves. If two or more waves traveling through the medium arrive at a point of medium simultaneously, then each wave produces its own displacement independent of other, and the resultant displacement at that point is vector sum of displacements due to these waves. Two or more waves are traveling through the medium. They arrive at a point of medium simultaneously. Each wave produces its own displacement. We know maximum displacement from its mean position is its amplitude. Each wave produces its own displacement independent of the other, and the resultant displacement is vector sum of displacements due to all waves. At particular point in the medium, in short, we say that at particular point in the medium, two or more waves are arriving at the same point, and at this particular point of the medium, the resultant displacement y, we denote this displacement as y, is resultant displacement y produced by number of waves, two or more waves. Resultant displacement y produced by number of waves. Number of means two or more. Resultant displacement y produced by the number of waves is vector sum of displacements For first wave, suppose displacement is y1, for second wave displacement is y2, for last wave suppose displacement is yn. Is vector sum of displacements produced by each waves. So this y is y1 plus y2 plus and so on plus yn. Vector sum. It means we can give positive sign to some displacements, negative sign to some displacements, and that is the vector sum of the displacements. Now see here this principle. By using you can understand the concept by using this diagram. This is y-axis, x-axis. Along x-axis, suppose there is a time, and here there is a displacement. For first wave, suppose this is the first wave having displacement y1. Positive side of y1. For the second wave, suppose displacement is y2. This is y2, displacement is y2 here. Resultant displacement as positive we add it directly. Resultant displacement y is sum of these two. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, resultant will be like this, 2 plus 3. And this resultant is y, and this y is y1 plus y2. If crest of one wave coincides with crest, they directly add. But if crest of one wave coincides with trough, this will be positive displacement, the downward displacement will be negative. If crest coincides, the waves are said to be in same phase, the displacement adds each other. If their crest coincides with trough, the displacement cancels with each other. So this is about the displacement. Here, if the waves are same phase, there is an enhancement of displacement. Displacement adds. We call this situation as enhancement. Enhancement means increase. There is an increase in displacement. If waves are in same phase, resultant displacement is maximum. If waves are out of phase, this is first wave, and for the second wave, this is the second wave. This is positive displacement, this is negative. They cancel with each other, and if they are equal, resultant displacement will be 0. We call it as a cancellation of displacement. Displacement decreases. Here displacement increases. Positive, waves are in same phase, displacement increases. Enhancement of displacement. Out of phase, one positive, other negative, cancellation of displacement, resultant displacement decreases. And this phenomenon of enhancement or cancellation of displacement produced due to superposition of waves is interference. Interference is a very interesting concept. The phenomenon of enhancement or cancellation. Enhancement or cancellation of displacement. How these are produced, enhancement or cancellation? By the superposition of two or more waves is nothing but the interference of the waves. It's called as interference of wave. Now, depending on phase difference between the waves, whether the waves are in same phase or waves are out of phase, depending on the phase difference of the interfering waves, the interference is of two types. Very interesting concept. The enhancement or cancellation of displacement, we call it as interference. Depending on the phase difference between the interfering waves, the interference is of two types. These types are also very important. These types are also very important. Constructive interference and destructive interference. And then we see the conditions for it.